Frodo, do you have the hiccups? I'm sorry, bunny. Oh, you're squeaking. You have the hiccups? Are you squeaking? Huh? Are you squeaking? You okay? Are they gone? Got no more hiccups? Okay. Well, you're a cute bunny.